top 4 diseases that we can prevent sa pamamagitan ng paghuhugas ng kamay. According to CDC, ang tamang paghuhugas ng kamay can actually reduce respiratory illnesses for up to 21%. At 58% naman ang marireduce na diarrheal illnesses lalo na sa mga mabababa ang immune system. Number 1, sore eyes or conjunctivitis. Summertime na naman at prone magkaroon ng bacterial or viral infection ang mga bata, specifically throat, lungs, skin, GI tract infections. At ang pagtuturo sa kanila ng tamang paghugas ng kamay can actually help them to stay healthy. Number 2, flu. Aside from getting a flu shot, hand washing is a key preventive measure, especially when we are exposed to germs without knowing it. Mayroon po kasi tayong tinatawag na incubation period na kung saan dito po tayo tinamaan ng bacteria or viral infection hanggang sa onset ng symptoms. Number 3, hand, foot, and mouth disease. Ito po ay dahil sa Coxsackie virus at madalas sa mga bata in daycare or preschools. Ito po nagiging dahilan ng pagsakit ng kanilang throat, mouth, rashes sa kanilang hands and feet, walang gana sa pagkain, at fever. Number 4, COVID or coronavirus. We all know that it can lead to respiratory illnesses like pneumonia and even death. Ang iba pa nga po sa atin, asymptomatic pa. Kaya naman, we should stay at home if we are not feeling well and we should regularly and properly wash our hands. When it comes to hand washing soap, I highly recommend Protect Hand Wash because it is mild, gentle, sulfate-free, and can effectively kill for up to 99.9% of germs. That's why it is safe for the entire family. It comes in 2 variants like Berry and Ocean Fresh, and refill packs are also available in 450 ml. That's why hand washing is not just personal hygiene but also an infection control. Mayroon din silang hand sanitizer for added protection from germs. Kaya naman, use Protect Hand Wash and Hand Sanitizer for your daily defense. Prevention is always better than cure. Stay healthy po!